Hi guys, welcome back to the Rubble Homestead. Today I'm taking a break from building the homestead walls. Okay, if you're new here or haven't caught up with the previous videos, I'm working on that section of the house first. That's the kitchen and the living room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this area first and then move in and then complete the back area, which is up top, which is the 2 bedrooms. And down here will be the bathroom and storage area or lounge or whatever I decide to do with it. However, I have moved my stuff, so what I have to do now is clean all this rubble out and just pack everything one place and then secure them with some tarp. Everything is in plastic containers. I'm gonna put some in the barrels here. These bags are gonna go in the barrels, so I'm gonna clean this out today. It's very overwhelming just looking at it because I've done this before, but the blocks, the contractors messed up the doorway. They wanted to put one doorway there and another right here, which would have taken out too much space from the bedrooms. So I had to demo this wall right here leading to this here. They finished it, so, and they don't care. So all this was cleaned out and I'm gonna have to do it again today. Sucks for me. And the worst part of it is I'm gonna have to clean it out again when they do the rough casting on the walls and when the beams and columns go in, because these guys work so messy, and I'm telling you, they are gonna get concrete everywhere. So this column needs to go in, and these right here, and that beam all the way across. So I'm for sure going to end up with more rubble, but I need to secure these things. It rained last night, luckily not heavy enough, but enough to keep down some of the dust. I'm going to get a mask and I'm going to get cracking on this today. So stay tuned.